Myself G. Chaitanya. I am going to explain ML Experiment 11 experiment implementation of k-means clustering for customer segmentation. Aim to write a program to implement the k-means clustering for customer segmentation. Equipments required hardware PCs, Anaconda Python 3.7 installation, Jupyter Notebook. Algorithm load the customer dataset and select the relevant features such as annual income and spending score. Choose the number of clusters and initialize k-centroids randomly. Assign each data point to the nearest centroid using Euclidean distance and update centroid by calculating the each cluster. Repeat until the centroids no longer change and display final cluster for customer segmentation. Program import NumPy as NP, import pandas as PD, import matplotlib as PLT from SQL and cluster import k-means, NumPy pandas for data handling, matplot for graphs, k-means for clustering. This is the code for load the dataset. They read the CSV file using pd.read.csv. Takes only annual income, spending score, find best number of cluster, try cluster values from 1 to 10, store WSS in list, float graph to find elbow point. Elbow point is equal to best number of cluster. Apply k-means, choose n clusters is equals to 5. Model groups customers into 5 clusters. Plus cluster each cluster show in different color. Customers with similar behaviors are grouped. Plot centroid yellow points centroid for each cluster. These represent average of each group. Final idea, customers are divided based on income spending. Help business understand customer types. This is output customer ID, gender, age, annual income, spending score. This is the number of clustered elbow method. This is annual income. And the final result, thus the program to implement the k-means clustering for customer segmentation is written and verified using Python programming.